As you can see, a new window has appeared, the Test Manager Sequencer, which will show the script progress and the traces for each test case. To confirm the execution of this test campaign, simply press Run.
YMedia Mac test specifications cover functionalities such as beaconing, reservation rules, synchronization, fragmentation, reassembly, etc.
The objective of the test cases selected in this demo is to verify whether or not the device under test complies with the beacon rules.
In the YMedia ultra-wideband specifications, time is divided into superframes. During the first part of the superframe, i.e. the beacon period, a device must listen for beacons from neighbours and transmit a beacon on its slot. These beacons contain information needed to control how the devices use the rest of the superframe, the data period to transmit data.
Now let's go back to the demo after the Run button was pressed.
This starts the communication with the automation tester, providing all the necessary information to run the first of the test cases. The automation tester sends event logs that are displayed in the trace window. As the sniffer and the generator are running in the PC, we can easily check they are automatically started and stopped when instructed by the automation tester. Once the test case execution is finished, Test Manager and the automation tester initiate FTP transactions for the sniffer traces and the checker outputs. Finally, and based on the checker outputs, Test Manager gives the test verdict for the test case executed and starts the execution of the next test case. After the test campaign is executed, the operator can exit the sequence and open the results menu. This menu shows the test results obtained for this project since its creation. For each test, it shows statistics for the number of times the test verdict was pass, fail, and inconclusive. Other details such as date, time, and duration of tests are also given. Finally, it's worth mentioning Test Manager offers access to the Trace View tool by clicking on an executed test case. This tool compiles all the test case details required for the generation of the test report, including the trace messages related to the execution of the test case. We're reaching the end of this video, in which we presented the current issues in the YMedia Mac testing and the Walter proposal to overcome them. A detailed demonstration of the use of Test Manager with this automated test tool has been provided, which has shown how the tool eases the YMedia Mac testing procedures. This solution has been demonstrated at various events, including the YMedia test events held in Ispra, Italy in 2009 and Sophia Antipolis, France in October. The final version of this test tool, the one demonstrated in this video, was presented in the conference Wireless World and Internet of Things 2009, which took place last November in Beijing, China. The Walter approach for testing the Mac layer has been taken into consideration by YMedia, which considers the test strategy is now better with the Alesis instrumentation, the automation tester, and Test Manager. This approach is at the disposal of whoever wants to test ultra-wideband devices in a faster and more reliable manner.
We would like to thank the Open Commission for financing the Walter project, which allowed us to develop test tools like the one presented in this video. Thank you very much for your attention.